I just got out of the shower. I'm getting ready to go to a concert tonight. I'm going to the Jessie James Decker concert at the Majestic Theater, and I am just so excited. It's gonna be my first time to her concert, first time to the Majestic Theater in Dallas. It's gonna be me and my sister, Amy, and I'm just so excited. I haven't had like a girls' night in so long. I'm always with my kids or at home or working on things. I thought I would film a get ready with me. This is going to be my outfit. I'm gonna have on this romper that is so cute and comfortable, and I'm gonna pair it with these beautiful earrings, and I'm gonna be wearing these mules, red mules that are so comfortable and beautiful. These are by Franco Sarto, and I bought them from TJ Maxx. Literally my whole outfit is from TJ Maxx, and these earrings are from Charming Charlie. So I need to go do my makeup and my hair, and I'm gonna film that as well, so I'll see you in a second. Hey guys, so I look like a mess right now. My hair is dirty, honestly. Didn't even bother to wash it because by the end of the night, I'm gonna come home dirty and sweaty from the concert. So I'm gonna use my Amazing Grace dry shampoo for now, and I'm gonna just spray the hell out of this grease. But so far I am loving this Amazing Grace dry shampoo by Philosophy. It's amazing. I love the formula of it, the texture, like the smell of it. It smells amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna get to curling my hair. I don't know if it's too hot. Yeah, it's fine. Using this Conair rollers. They are my favorite way to do my hair when I'm quick and on the go. It's a little hot to touch. I'm gonna do like one more spray over here, just in case. I know it looks weird, but trust me, when you're desperate to not make your hair look greasy, that's what you do. So I haven't done this in a very long time. I don't know when was the last time I sat here, did my makeup in front of the camera, so it's been a while. I have a little bit of mustache hair, honestly, and I think I'm gonna pluck the really dark ones out. Sorry, but sometimes this is just real. This is an honest get ready with me. This is how I would usually get ready without the camera being there. Now I'm going to apply some under eye cream. This is, I'm basically just prepping my face. This is by Elizabeth Arden, the Good Morning Eye Treatment. I'm going to use this Rose Water Hydrating Face Mist. No! I wish my face can look this glossy all day. Not greasy, but just illuminating. So for foundation, this has become my all-time favorite. I just love the way it feels on my skin. And that's just how I use it. I want to get the foundation brush for it, I don't have it, instead of using the sponge, because I find that it might apply a bit better with the foundation brush. I'm just gonna smear that all over my face. Just like to even it all out, because my sponge is not even wet, and I usually always have it wet, but I don't feel like getting up to wet it. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. concealers. It is a 16-hour camo concealer, and I did a review on them. They are pretty amazing. They're very long lasting, brightening, and I love the yellow undertone in them. I'm gonna put some on my eyelid as well. I love like a good bright eye. I'm gonna go in with a lighter concealer. So I'm just gonna put a dot there because literally that's all you need. They're so pigmented. Now I'm going to set my under eyes. I'm not gonna set the rest of my face just because I feel like Bare Pro holds up very well even through heat and sweatiness, and it just ends up giving me that like dewy look that I love. So I'm not gonna set it, even though I have like matte concealer on and some powder, but it's gonna be okay. It's just makeup. So I've been doing this new thing with contouring my nose. By the way, I didn't show you guys. I'm using my NYX contour palette and it looks so messed up right now, but it's okay. So this new contouring thing that I've been liking to do for my nose, just because I do have like a little bit of a bump on my nose, doing the traditional contouring where you like bring it both down just gives it like a very weird, ugly look for me. So to make my nose look youthful and like round up here and just slim, this is what I like to do. You just get a big fluffy brush like so, pick up a bit of that and just brush your nose with it on the tip only on the tip. And if you want, just lightly go like that, take it up a bit, but I've mainly concentrated on the tip of my nose and it does such a huge difference. I literally have been loving that look on me and I think I'm gonna stick with it for a very long time until I get a nose job. So the blush I'm gonna be using is by Benefit, the Dandelion. It just gives that perfect flush cheeks, not too much, not too little. Really like my favorite blush of all time. So, oh, highlight. I need to put on highlight. So for my highlight, I'm going to be using this highlighting shade from the NYX palette as well. I'm going to be using my Too Faced Chocolate palette. And I absolutely love this palette. It just smells good. It's so pigmented and it's amazing. Ta-da! It's just a very gorgeous palette. It's glittery, poppy. Like me, I love, I love that pop of color in the eyes. And every shade is like a pop. No matter which way you use it, it's going to be like a pop. Okay, I don't know if it just made sense there, but oh, look at my curl. My curl's coming out. Go in with this shade over here, Gold Dipped. But before I go in with the eyeshadow, I'm going to contour my eyelids a bit from the contour palette as well. Just to, give it a little bit of depth. Put a little bit of brown eyeliner. This one's by J. Katz. So now I'm going to add a little bit of highlight, the same highlighter I used earlier. So now I'm going to use mascara by Crown. So I'm going to be using my last set of Ardell lashes. I'm gonna let my hair down. For brows, I'm using the Salon Perfect done-in-one brow pomade. I've had it forever, and I'm like still not done with it. I'm trying to finish it. Now I just need to figure out what kind of lip color I want to put on. I definitely want to go with this lip liner. This is the Subculture by MAC lip pencil. So, smells so good. Smells so good. It's just a simple glam, you know. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add lip gloss right now just so you could see like the full look. Guys, I definitely went from 0 to 100 real quick. Lebanese Latina beauty over here. I'm kidding. I'm not that conceited. I'm just so kidding. I'm just being silly, guys. But yeah, this is it. Now I'm gonna go put my outfit on. I'm gonna find that lip gloss and I will be back. So I'm back, I have my outfit on and I found the lip gloss. It was in my purse and it's called, the name is Eclair Butter Gloss by NYX. Mimi.
It's a reality show.
What's your reality show?
Real life.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm not liking the way my bangs are looking, so I turned on my other curler, the curling wand, and I'm gonna curl. Like, my bangs have gotten so long. They used to be like up here. But yeah, this is my outfit. I wanted to be very comfortable and cute tonight. I really need to lose some weight. My arms are looking fat. I have a little pouch here. But yeah, I wanna not lose weight, but just get toned and fit.
Car in the front, like across the street.
Okay, what are you gonna wear? This is Amy. This is my sister Amy that I'm gonna go to the concert with. Hi. You're gonna be in my vlog.
It's me.
It's me, the Amy Ali. No, what's your YouTube name?
Amy Ollie.
Amy Ali. Wait, where's Dada?
So I brought, like, these jeans are my fat jeans. They're like my most comfortable jeans.
Okay.
And I can breathe in them.
Yeah, like this romper.
Oh
I can breathe in it.
Yes.
I literally want to find more like this, like in every color, every design, every print.
Like this. It feels
This
good.
is so, yeah. Should I wear a jean jacket over it?
You know what? Yeah.
Okay.
I actually like.
Kind of don't want to, but
Are y'all vlogging? Maybe you're gonna be cold. I'm gonna be cold most of the time.
yeah, I'll bring it. Just,
Yeah.
you know, maybe whoop somebody's ass with it. Hi, baby.
You're vlogging for your YouTube channel?
Longer, those are gonna
What are you eating?
You think so?
They already look cute, but
Is that Oreo ice cream? Looks good.
Like add cheese.
Can I have some?
Add more. Okay, don't add more.
No?
You add more?
Hey, what are we gonna eat?
it like that, like how
I don't know, but I'm freaking hungry.
maybe in the back.
Okay, y'all.
We're getting ready to see Jessie James Decker. I'm so excited. What do you mean, where am I going?
Why are you running?
Oh, I don't know. Just right. I'm so excited.
What's mine is yours, and yours is mine. I love you till the end of time. I wanna spend forever with you. I do, I do, I do. I can see